Hello guys, welcome to a brand new video on daily tutorials. In today's video, I'll teach you some easy steps on how you can log in to your Viewster account. Before we start the video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Without further ado, let's move on to the video. First of all, make sure that you're connected to the internet. Once you make sure that you're connected to the internet, open up a web browser. Now, once the web browser is open up on your screen, type in www.viewster.com and hit enter. As you can see on my screen, if you enter the address www.viewster.com, you'll be directed to this contv.com website. This is because the Viewster website is now known as contv.com. Once the home page of ConTV opens up on your screen, on the top right corner of your screen, you'll see the sign in button. Go ahead and click on it. Once you click on the sign in button, a form will appear on your screen. On this form, you'll have to fill in your email address here, your password here. Click on this option and then click on sign in. Once you click on sign in, and if you have filled in these credentials correctly, you'll be automatically logged into Viewster or ConTV. I hope this video helped you to log into Viewster. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel for more such useful tutorials. Thank you for watching.